Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 12th on a Thursday. And taking a look at the SPY, we've had an impressive 4 days of action. I'm still looking up here. We do have a gap fill up here. We do have this 50-period moving average, which it could be our destiny here, but we'll see what happens. We do have a slightly gap up after the CPI number. But anyway, let's take a look at some stocks that are setting up nicely. I'm still liking this AAMI. Been in for a couple of days and could be looking at a go, pause, go. That happens when you have a decent move and then you kind of have a doji day or a spinning top day, and then you look for a continuation after that pause day. So I'm liking that AAMI still. Let's see. CCCS is a stock that is pretty volatile, but I do like the way it's holding this 10-period moving average. Maybe look for a break above that 13. Put your little price alert there. Maybe get a little head start if it wants to take out that 13. LFMD is gapping up. It's gapping up above this area. I'd rather see it trade through it, but nonetheless, that's a very, very impressive, strong chart. A lot of momentum behind that chart. It looks like it may want to take out this 5-day, or let's call it a 10-day or monthly high, whatever you want to see there. But very impressive there. But it is a little bit of gap up. I don't think I'll chase it in the pre-market or at the bell. Delta, I think if you're in the bottom fishing, they did have earnings this morning. It is gapping up to a critical level. If I'd play something like that, it'd be with small size because it is a very ugly daily chart. But nonetheless, I think if it does get above that 20-period moving average and this level right here, resistance level, it could be in play. All right, guys, one other one, NEO, for those China players. I do like the daily on that one. Looks like it could possibly take out that 925 level and have some up movement. But that's it for the day. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.